So, you're interested in art, right?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. So what inspired you to, did you ask your mom to take this, or was it her idea? Was it your idea?
Well, it was for my 12th birthday. She got this for me, and it was like, when I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, I can't wait to do this. This is so cool.
So this was brand new for you, doing a portrait. What did you think?
It was like, I was kind of nervous at first because I was like, well, I don't like 100% know how to, but the way that you have like made it or like done it with us and explained it, it's been a lot easier to understand, and just like it's easier to do and make it look good, because sometimes you're like, oh, I should have done that differently. Oh no, I should have done that differently.
But like, it just, the way you have it, it makes it come alive.
Oh, that's so nice. Thank you.